Enforcement authorities confirmed a deceased male was found in a car naked with a missing penis and evident blood in the genital area. While the identity of the individual remains unknown, ongoing investigative efforts are in process to shed light on the circumstances surrounding this incident. The police are investigating the shooting death of an unidentified man in the farming community of Ragsville in Guyville, St. Catherine. It is reported that around 2 a.m. on Tuesday, residents heard explosions at a premises and contacted the police. Upon arrival, the man, said to be in his 30s, was observed inside the house with gunshot wounds to the upper torso. A man was reportedly shot dead by an off-duty policeman at Port Kaiser Beach on Port Kaiser Main Road in Alligator Pond, Manchester, during an alleged robbery attempt Tuesday afternoon. The man, who up to press time was still unidentified, was reportedly trying to rob the cop when he was shot. A firearm was reportedly seized from the deceased man. The Independent Commission of Investigation has launched a probe into the incident. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate that about 2:30 p.m., a police corporal was at the beach when he was pounced upon by a robber. It is reported that the man pulled a handgun, pointed it at the policeman, and demanded his bag. The demand was not met, and the gunman opened fire at the lawman, who took evasive action and returned the fire, hitting him. The man fell to the ground and a Glock pistol was retrieved from him. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead, the police said. 2 people, including a teen, narrowly escaped injuries when they were attacked and shot at by a gunman along the Airy Hill Main Road in Ercobessa, St. Mary on Monday. The two, ages 37 and 18, both construction workers, proved too fast for the gunman, who stopped upon realizing he was being outpaced. It was reported that around 5:40 p.m. the men were sitting in a car when they saw a masked man approaching them. They fled the vehicle, ran, and were chased by the gunman, who fired several shots at them. The gunman gave up the chase and ran back to a waiting vehicle which sped off. None of the men were injured, and a report was later made to the police and an investigation launched.